Welcome to Buckley Museum. This is Dwin. Dwin used to live in a pottery in Buckley in Victorian times. As a magic dragon, he now lives in Buckley Museum today. Dwin lives in a small rustic pot in a display case filled with many pots of different sizes and colours. Buckley Museum tells the story of Buckley through time and its fascinating industrial history. A town filled with potteries and brickmakers. Buckley potteries once made thousands of pots which were sent all over the world. Today, Dwin wants to explore the museum. Buckley Museum has on display many different types of pots, and Dwin wants to find the oldest, the smallest, the largest, and the shiniest object. Dwin finds the oldest object. What could it be? Dwin finds the smallest object. What could it be? Dwin finds the largest object. What could it be? Dwin finds the shiniest object. What could it be? Would you like to come and explore the museum with Dwin? What will you find? Any great explorer needs a magnifying glass. You can find a magnifying glass inside one of our explorer bags, which you can pick up at the library reception desk. Come and explore the museum with Dwin and see if you can find the oldest, smallest, largest and shiniest object. Why not try out some of our museum at home activities inspired by the objects in our museum? Find our Exploring Buckley Museum Family Activities resource on the Aura website.